Hello and welcome. This is Ruth, and today I've got 3 fabulous die sets and 2 embossing folders from Bibby's Peacock Paradise collection for Spellbinders. Now, they are really beautiful. I have just had a look and I haven't actually made anything yet. I haven't even cut them out, but I'm just itching to get doing that. So you can have a quick look here. I'm not going to go through them in too much detail. I'm just going to show you them and then I'm going to start creating. This one is the Peacock Butterfly. But one half of this is a sort of a straightforward butterfly with peacock markings on it, and the other one is a sort of scrolly side to it. And then you've all these different elements that you can die cut and add into all these areas here as well. So I think there's the body, and that's a little piece that goes in there. I think that's going to look absolutely beautiful. Maybe some sparkly card, some mirror card, or some glitter card, or something like that. Something with a bit of shine to it anyway. It's going to look absolutely gorgeous on that. And then we'll have a look at this one. This is the Glorious Peacock, and here's the peacock with the feathers sort of swirling around it, and on the back then you can see these extra ones that you can cut out and add for dimension, so you can pop those up and give that a real good big bit of dimension if you like as well. Then I have the cameo frames, and this is a really beautiful set of frame dies as well that can be used not only with this Peacock collection, but you could use that with anything. It's really beautiful. So we've got outside edges, and then we've got these pieces here that you can make frames out of. In fact, you could just make a deep frame out of this or whatever, and then this would be a lovely little tag in the center. So there's all sorts of different ways of using that. I'll come back and we'll have a look at that as well. But they're absolutely gorgeous embossing folders with this as well. And this one is called let's check, Feather Flourish, and this one is Peacock Motif. So this is a great big pattern which would make a beautiful statement on a card. And this one is a slightly smaller pattern, but really beautifully laid out as well, and very tiny pattern on that one. So you can cut these up and do whatever and make big cards, small cards, beautiful backgrounds with them, or lots and lots of other things that you might come up with as well. So if you haven't subscribed, maybe you would like to do that and hit the notification bell. There's lots of other things coming up and you might enjoy those as well. And my affiliate links to everything will be down below in the description of this video. I don't think I mentioned that there's actually more to this collection than what I've got here. I've actually got quite a lot of it, but there are some other things as well. So I'll put a link down below in the description of the video that will show you everything that's in this collection, and you can have a little look at that and see what you think. But I'll be right back. I couldn't wait to try out that embossing folder, and look at that. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? So that's the embossed side and that's the debossed side, and they're both equally absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, I'm sure that would be absolutely beautiful in white as a sort of a subtle kind of background, but I just felt like I wanted to do it in some teal and add some glitter, and you can probably see a lot of glitter over my desk already because I had a few experiments with different types of glue, and on the embossed side and debossed side, and this is just my sort of rough one that I tried on the raised side and the debossed side. You can decide whatever you like, but I'm actually going to go ahead and add it to the embossed side here. So I've got some fine nozzle on my glue, and I'm just going to go ahead and add some glue into some areas here. Now this does take a little bit of time. It's not a very quick process, but it's not going to take all day, and it's going to be well worth it. The results are really beautiful. So you can see, first of all, I'm going to add glue into these center parts here and here, and that's going to be the dark navy. So I'll put glue in that first, and then I'll put dark navy glitter, and then tap off the excess, and then add the different colors around the outside. I'll go for navy, turquoise and gold. camera battery actually ran out whenever I was finishing this bit, so I've actually gone ahead a little bit and I have matted and layered that onto gold card. I've taken the inside of the gold card out so that I could use it again, and then put it onto, that's actually a piece of A4 card just scored down the middle and folded into a card blank. And I don't know if you can see it just as well as it looks in real life, but that is absolutely stunning. Really, really beautiful, and I'm really happy with how it has turned out. The only thing is, I'm looking at it now and I'm thinking, originally I wanted to put just a sentiment across the middle because I didn't want to cover any of that up, but now I've decided to go ahead and add a little, or actually a big butterfly onto it. So I've got this butterfly here. This is the peacock butterfly, and I've cut it out in white, and I'm not putting a backing on it, so I've got the actual butterfly, looks like this when you cut it out, and then there are all these different pieces here, and I've only gone ahead and added some of them on at the minute, but I'm going to add the rest. So this body goes on here, and then this little piece here is in there. Then these ones are the 4 that go here, sorry, 5 that go here, here, and here, and then the smaller ones go in these areas here. And then you can cut out these parts, which then look like this, and add on top. So I'm going to fill the rest of those in and fold that up so that it's just the body that actually goes on there, and that's how that card is going to look. But before I do that, I actually want to go ahead and stamp out a sentiment. It's one of Bibby's Cats and Pugs sentiments. I'm going to stamp that out and then do it in embossing ink. So embossing ink and embossing powder, and then we'll put it in one of the little banner shapes as well. And I'm going to show you what that looks like on the front of the card before I go ahead and finish that butterfly. I want to let you see what both options look like. This is the little stamp here. It's Chase Your Dreams, and I thought that looks really good with the feathers there. So I'll stamp it and emboss it. There's the embossed sentiment, and I cut the back out of it in the gold card with this die and the white part with this one, and I've layered one on top of the other. And I'm actually not going to glue this down, as I said. I'm just going to show it to you and let you see what you think yourself, but I think that looks rather beautiful there. However, there's lots of different ways of doing that. I've cut this beautiful shape out here. We could go all out and go with that and then this on top, but I think I'm just going to go with the butterfly. So I'm going to go ahead and add all the rest of these little pieces. I've got them all here, and I'm going to glue them all on. There it is, all finished, and I love it. I know it's quite blingy. It's really, really, in fact, really, see this. I'm going to show you this, but I'm not going to glue it down. If you like bling and more is more, well, look at that. That's a possibility as well, but it's just a bit too much for me, I think. Yeah, that's a lot, isn't it? Anyhow, I'm going to use that on another card because that is absolutely gorgeous. But anyhow, there we are. There's the finished card. Do you like it? I actually don't think the camera is picking up the beautiful turquoise on here. It's making it look like a deep blue or something, which is nice enough, but this is a beautiful tealy turquoisey colour which goes beautifully with the peacock feathers. So that is my first card with the beautiful Peacock Paradise collection, and there will definitely be more. I'll be back because, well, I'm going to use this and a little peep at what might come. I've die cut this as well, so that might just be going into the centre of that with something else as well. So you can let me know in the comments down below what you think of this. Is it just too much, or was that worth that? I love it, and I'm really glad I spent the time doing that. It didn't take just a minute or two. It took maybe half an hour or a little bit more to do all of this glitter in the background, but it's really, really glittery, really sparkly, and really beautiful. So thank you very, very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more, that is. If you've enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and leave me a little comment. And I hope to see you again very, very soon with more. Thank you very much in the meantime. Bye bye.